Welcome to this quick demo of the impactful business messaging tool built with Python and Excel. Before we dive into the tool, here's a brief background on the MECE framework. MECE stands for Mutually Exclusive, Collectively Exhaustive. It's a problem-solving approach widely used in consulting to structure thinking clearly and logically. Mutually exclusive means each idea or category stands on its own without overlap, while collectively exhaustive ensures no critical elements left out. This structure helps professionals communicate with precision, especially when crafting business justifications. With that in mind, let's look at how the impactful business messaging tool uses this framework. The tool guides users to input key elements: the business challenge, target audience, proposed solution, expected impact on any key constraints. These fields are intentionally designed to be MECE-friendly, ensuring that your final message is both sharp and complete without duplication or missing parts. Once you have filled in the fields, the tool instantly generates a well-structured business justification statement. This makes it especially useful for learning consultants and business professionals who need to create multiple statements quickly and consistently. Whether you are building client proposals or submitting internal recommendations, this tool helps you work faster and communicate smarter. Thank you for watching. I hope this tool becomes a valuable part of your workflow.